Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters.
Good morning. Every time when I go shopping in Köyceğiz, or I go for some bureaucratic nonsense to Köyceğiz, I see their beach and it always looks kind of crappy. And they've done a lot of work to it lately, so I want to check it out. Road. Look at that. So nice. It's like a park. I bet they do weddings and stuff here. Benches, tons of chairs, tables, children's playground. It's like some stadium here. It's not a beach, it's a sports centre. Makes a change to long chairs and umbrellas. Ah, they had some sort of sport festival going here. So I guess this all goes away again. Sand is not that special. It's like more like gravel. The lake is beautiful as always. Oh, I so love this lake. First boats are going to Dalyan. I think I'm gonna have a swim anyway. I'm here now. This looks a little muddy. Would you call this a beach? No. I've seen it when there was a complete carnival going on here. It's always different. At least it's clean. There's grasses here. Rocks, sand. That's not too bad. Very shallow. Very kid friendly. Got these floaters there. Keep it safe for kids. Can't swim, don't go past. Water is so nice and warm. A lot of grasses though, don't like that. Crappy beach, but great swim. Oh, nothing but a good cold Coke after a swim.
Çok kaynatıyorsun. İkincisi de boşaltırken
4 liras for a can of Coke. This is a winner.